Kickstart your freelance career online, tips and tricks. In this video, we'll cover essential steps to start your freelance career. Step 1. Identify your skills and strengths. Are you good at writing, design, or coding? Identify your strengths. Step 2. Create a compelling portfolio. Show off your best work. Highlight your unique skills. Step 3. Set up your online presence. Create a killer profile on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Step 4. Network and market yourself. Join online communities. Connect with other freelancers. Share experiences and tips. Step 5. Find your first clients. Bid on projects actively. Write personalized proposals. Show clients you're the perfect fit. Step 6. Manage your projects and time effectively. Treat your freelance gig like a real job. Set a daily routine. Discipline leads to success. Step 7. Continuously improve and learn. Attend webinars and workshops to enhance your skills. Keep your profile updated. Stay ahead of the curve. Follow these steps to kickstart your freelance career successfully. Let's dive into each step in detail.